This meeting is being recorded.
Okay, got it. The recording is started. Now let me share my screen. Okay, entire screen. My Mozilla Firefox Eclipse from entire screen. Uh, is my screen is visible to all of you? Where am I going? Like, can you see my Eclipse IDE?
No,
Yes.
Abdul's screen is visible, sir, for me.
Okay, Abdul, stop your sharing. Now, what about now?
I'm still seeing Abdul's screen.
Right, stop that.
Okay. Okay, let me see. Now, what about now?
Still, I see the screen that has Zoom on it. Zoom link
Yeah,
open.
yeah, this is my screen.
Okay then. Okay then. So yeah.
Okay. Just
Sorry
confirm it.
for that.
I just opened a new tab. Now is it
Yeah. Yeah.
visible?
Confirmed.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, great. Great. Thank you so much. Okay, guys. Just wait. Let's see what Salash says. He's checking message. Okay. Now, in today's session, guys, we will study how we can mute the notifications. Whenever the notification comes into in the front of the page, so how could we get rid of that notification? For example, I will go to yatra.com. Yatra.com. It's one of the booking ticket platform on the internet. Basically, it refers to the Indian websites. But once you come to this website, you can see that it will give you the push notification. You can see that on my screen on the left hand side, it comes that show notification. Here I have two options, block and allow. So for that, that's how we can test on that and how we can get rid of that notification through the Selenium. So we have one way to do that. For that, what should we do? Let's go and proceed. For that, I will go to where I will go to my Eclipse IDE. In my Eclipse IDE, let's change the preference and appearance. Let's take it as a light and say apply. Apply and close. Let's see whether it's working or not for me. Don't restart. Let's see. Okay, how it looks. Okay, it looks bad. Let's keep it in dark mode because my Linux is already in dark mode. So don't restart. Say apply and close. That's totally fine. Now let me zoom it a little bit, the source code. Now I'll do what, guys? All of you are familiar with how to start write down the test case, how to create the file. Go in your test case package, right click, new, take a new class. Once you take a new class, I will do what? I will write push notification test case. I'll click on public static void main, and after that click on finish. Once you do that, the ready-made or boilerplate structure of the code will come. Now your next job is to do what? Your next job is to create what? After that. First of all, I will do WebDriver. This is the class that I should need in, for example, you have created variables in Java, you have created classes in Java. Same concept in Selenium happen here. Like for accessing, for creating the object of the Chrome driver or Mozilla Firefox that you want, you need to get use of this WebDriver class. So for that, I will use WebDriver. Basically, this is what this is, interface, or we can say this is a part of encapsulation, equal to, uh, after that we can say that, after driver say new Chrome driver, and that's all. Don't worry about the red underline, it will get rid of in a 1 minute. uh, your next job is to do what, guys? Your next job is to maximize the screen. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize, and that's all, guys. Once you can see that the red line error are gone now. Once you hover on this Chrome driver red line, it will give you the option of import. Click on that. The red line error are also gone from the Chrome driver itself. Now your next job is to do what? Your next job is to get the URL. But here is one challenge and one point that I will show you. Okay, driver.get. Let's first of all get the string. I will go to that browser itself. Okay, I was in Yatra, I guess. It was search in Yatra. Okay, I will copy this and I will come back to my Eclipse and I will paste it in here. Now, when I paste the URL, I'm okay till this position. Now, my duty and my task is, sorry. Okay, my duty and task is here that I need to do what? Before that I initialize the Chrome driver, I maximize the screen and I get to that specific URL, or I should navigate to that URL. I need to do what? I need to declare or try to stop the notification. For that, I need to do this before starting or initializing the WebDriver. For that, what should I do? Just keep this in your mind, guys, okay? First of all, I would do it. I would go with this Chrome options. After that, it's a this option is an object name. Chrome option is itself a class. This is object equal to new, and after that your job is again Chrome option. That's all. Now hover on this, it will give you import. Okay, that's totally fine. Chrome options, what it says, let's hover on this.
The second Chrome options has a capital P. Maybe that's the problem, sir.
Oh, sorry, so sorry.
The second one. No, the second one, Chrome options, feature
Yeah,
profile.
I got it. Wait a second. Okay, let's make it like this. Chrome options, because O follows the, in this Chrome option follows the camel casing. That's why this option equal to new, because the object name we can give anything. Let's make it Chrome options, and that's all. Don't worry about the red underline errors, it will gone after a minute. Now my next job is to do it. Now I should call option, the object which I declared, dot add arguments. For adding arguments, what should I select? Don't go with the first one which is connected with the linked list. Go with the second one which is connected with the string. With the insertion of this, you can see that the error with the Chrome options underline are now not visible for me, because already the library is imported for that. Okay, now I should do it. In between this argument, I need to pass double quotes, and in between double quotes, pass two dashes, dash dash, and after that, do what? Disabled. disable dash notifications. Once you write this, check the spelling. Please, guys, who's unmuted, mute yourself because the sound reflects. Notification, notification, notification. Everything seems good. Now my options are working fine. Now my next job is to do what? Now I need to pass. I need to pass what? This option object into my where? Into my what? Into Chrome driver option which I declared in here. Sorry. It should be in bracket of the Chrome driver, so that once it already disabled the notification, once we initialize the object of the Chrome driver, so we can pass this on that section. This is about what? This is about the push notification. Now for the first time, for making sure ourselves that in test case browser also the notification is coming, I will comment this section. Let's comment this first of all, and let's get rid of this. I will run the code first of all. Let's see whether the push notification is coming on the test browser or not. Let's see this. Okay, Yatra is opening. Let's wait for a moment. And here you can see that in a test case browser, for the first time my notification comes that, hey, show notification, I can do block, I can do allow. It means that in it will cause a lots of problem in time of testing for me. So how can I get rid of this? I would use what? Let's close this again, and I would use instead what? I would use instead do Control Z. Everything is activated. Now I'll run the code again. Let's see. Now let's wait for a moment. You can see that we are get rid of that push notification. Now we don't see any push notification even on test screen. Can you see anything with the name of notifications? No, because we already get rid of that push notification. That was for how we can get rid of push notification with the Selenium. You can see that how much Selenium is powerful, and with the 4 or 5 line of code, we can get rid of that problem. Okay, guys, I'll give you a minute for that. Go ahead and type the code.
Teacher Furqan,
And
I have a question.
yeah, Masid, go ahead.
Yeah. So when you go back to that page, uh, yatra.com, I
Okay.
got the notification. Yeah. So on the right hand, it says, okay, I agree. I'm sorry, but I got notification again also. I don't know. It didn't came first and it pop up again.
Okay. It's in your actual browser or no? It's in coming in test browser.
It's coming in test browser.
Okay. You're using Mac or it's a window?
Windows.
Okay. It's coming on your right hand side. Um, what it does is do one thing, Masood. In your actual browser, first of all, search theatra.com and see that whether you're getting that push notification or not.
Okay.
Just refresh and take a new tab, search for yatra.com. Others, just try to write down the code and confirm it with me, Masood.
Okay, that's fine.
So I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
So this disabling the notifications, it's completely different to the pop-up windows, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So we handle it differently with the pop-up windows. We wouldn't handle it this way.
Yeah, definitely. Kata, your question is that uh, how we can get rid of that push notification or that handler video screen which comes before our actual screen. You mean that?
Do you know sometimes you have these websites when you have the pop-up window, it's not that it's not like the notification, it kind of comes in the middle of the page and it tells you
Okay,
to
it's coming on the middle of the page. Yeah, don't worry about that. We can get rid of that with the help of Selenium also. It says sometimes it comes, sometimes it don't come. Don't worry about that. Just our aim is to disable that push notification which comes on the left hand side on the top of the screen.
Okay, but my question is how, let's say I'm facing that, would I handle it the same way we're handling notifications or do we
No,
handle
no.
it different?
We have to first we have to locate its locator, that whether it's ID name, and after that we have to do the click option.
Okay, all right, thank you.
You're most welcome.
Mr. Furqana have the same notification showing on mine.
Okay, it's again showing for you.
Yes,
Okay, let's do one thing. Stop sharing. Nasib, go ahead, share your screen.
sure.
Let me give you. Now my screen is disabled.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I can see your screen, Nasib.
You want me to run it or you want to?
Okay, wait a second, Nasib. Let me check first the code. Excellent job, Ahmad's here. Okay, what you did is that first of all, Nasib, do one thing that you need to first of all check that whether this push notification is coming on your test browser or not. For that, what you need to do is that you should disable line number, this Chrome options and options.arguments. Disable this or comment it, and also get rid of that options from the Chrome driver parameter. Now save the code and run it once. What would happen? Let's see. Okay, the notification is coming. Now do one thing. Close the screen. Close. Okay, great job. Now activate that Chrome options again. Mhm. And try to give a tap that it should come in between the body of the public static void main, all of the code. Okay,
Sorry, I
you
run
didn't
it again,
pass
but
the
it's okay.
you didn't pass the options. Pass the option variable between the bracket. Option
Save it.
save the, yeah, run it now. Okay, the time is out for that. Okay, do one thing, Nasib. Close this browser again and try to bring everything inside the body because it's parallelly along with the line of the body. No, not this one. With the body of public
Is
static
it
void main.
is it matter to correctly spell the notification while it says disable notification? Nasib,
Yeah,
can you fix that one?
notification.
Yeah,
Yeah,
good.
yeah. The
Oh, yeah.
spelling is should be correct. But yeah,
Okay.
yeah. The spelling is
Yeah,
must.
good catch, brother Masood.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, you're welcome. Actually, somebody noted, Farid noted. Thank you so much, Farid John. Also, I was cheating.
Okay.
Bingo, there we go. Thank you.
Yeah, definitely. Great job. Okay, now let me reshare my screen again. Okay, now do it. Now, is it visible? My screen is visible?
Yes,
Not to
sir.
me, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No.
didn't know what happened. Let me check it again. Nasib, you stop your sharing?
Yes, I have. Let
Okay,
me see.
let me reshare it again. Now, I guess you can see. Can you see the Eclipse ID?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now my screen is visible to all of you. Okay, guys. Uh, Now this was all about the push notification. We will see one another trick that how we can read the value from the drop down list. Let's see, for example, let's go with the Facebook. Facebook sign in. Okay, I guess this is okay. This is test browser. That's why it's not giving me the right. Okay, I'll go to there. Sign up for Facebook. Just try to find the sign up page of the Facebook. Now, in sign up page of the Facebook, guys, if you see here, we have drop down list as well. You can see that we have drop down list in Facebook sign up page that is for month, for the date, and for the year. Now, how we can select the specific tag or the specific elements, like let's suppose I wanna select June month and drop down list of the Facebook. So how could I do that? Let's see this trick. For that I need to do what? For that I will let me go back. Let's do another thing. Facebook login. Let's click. No, I don't need this web page. I need. Let's check this. Okay, that's cool. Create a new account, and that's good for me. Now let's copy the URL. First of all, it will be saved with us. Now I'll go to my Eclipse and I will take a new file. Class, and I would name it as a drop down list. Click on public static void main and click on finish. Now once you click on finish, The first two to three procedures seem that you need to declare a web driver, after that driver, new Chrome driver, and after that use driver dot manage dot window, sorry, window dot maximize, and that's all. If I hover on the Chrome, you can see that I can import it even. Now after that, my next job is to do what? My next job is to, after declaring everything, after that I should navigate driver dot get the URL which I pasted, so I copied, I should paste it in here. It will navigate me to Facebook sign in page. Let's run the test case whether this is navigating us to that target page or not. Okay, I would say okay. Let's see what will have open for us. The site is can't reachable. The Chrome is being controlled. Okay, why it's not opening? Okay, everything is good with my internet. So what is the issue? Let's check
Sir,
it
I
again.
think URL, you have extra credentials before Facebook.
Yeah, let me check, I guess. No, the URL is correct. I don't have an extra credential, but I guess I need to check it in an actual browser. Let's click on this actual Facebook account. Let's click on this sign in. Let's copy this. You know, a lots of time URL matters a lot. I'll save this and I will run this again. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, great. It gives me the Facebook sign up page for registering myself on the Facebook platform. Now my next job is to do it. Let's close the screen again. Now I can say that my URL is correct. After that, I need to find out that drop down list first of all. You know how to fill that boxes. You and do understand. The only thing is which is remaining from you is that you need to do what? You need to select a specific month or date from the that specific drop down list. For that, you need to do what? You need to first of all declare something. Web element. It's acting like same. We are declaring a variable. Web element. Make sure that the spelling is correct. ELE. After that, MENT. Sorry, MENT. That's like it's like this. After that, I will name it as a drop. The variable name equal to, let's say, driver dot find element by what? Find element by. Your next job is that you should go and check what? You should go and check. Let's check what? Let's check this specific area. I will right click on that and inspect it. Okay, once I inspect it, let's bring it down. I will select from here. Okay, everything seems correct. Now let me scroll it down and let me drag it up a little bit. That's good. Let's activate this option. Now we'll go to this specific area. Now I will open my this. Now you can see that this drop down list is attached with what? It is attached with the attribute of name, birthday underscore month, or it has also an ID. Let's go with an ID. I will take the ID, Control C. I will copy the ID and I will come here. Now find element by ID and add a semicolon here. Why it's not taking this one? Okay, let's hover on this. Import web element. Okay, now what it says. Okay, now everything seems correct. Find element by ID. Now my next job is that I access that specific drop down list. Now my next job is to do the selection. For selecting, what should I do? I have one another class, select. This is the object name I will give select, or get. I can use, so let's use select. Select, the first S is capital, the second S is small, because the second one is an object. New, again, select class, and you have to do what you have to pass the drop in between the tag of the select. Now if I hover on this, it says that import the select. Now your next job is to do what? Select the object which you declared. Select dot what? Select what? By visible text in here. So in between that, I need to pass what? The name of the month. I will go there and I will take, like, suppose let's take Feb. I will copy the Feb. I will come here and I will paste it. I'll take the Feb month. Now I save this. I'll save this and I will run the code. Let's see that whether it's selecting the month of February for me on the Chrome tested software or not. So opening. Okay, you can see that the border is black with the bold black. You can see that with the bold black, and you can see that the month of February is selected for me. First was August, now the month of Feb is selected for me. If I change it to March, it will be March. If I change it to August, it will be August. So any month you select, that month will be right in there. This was for the drop down list, that how we can select the drop down list from the menu. Now I'll give you 5 minutes for that. Go ahead and type the code.
Sir, how we can do the month, the day?
Mhm.
There is
It
three
is same.
options.
Yeah, I will. That's the challenging point. I will give you the task for that. I will give you the assignment. Okay, you guys write it down. I will give you one assessment right in the class that you need to follow up with that. Okay, your test cases, first step, /star, open the browser, go to FB sign up page. Next is to do what? Maximize it. Max it. Fourth is to do what? After that, you need to enter the empty boxes. Empty boxes. Your fifth step is select the correct. Yeah, select options from drop down menu, and sixth, once you do everything and you select the radio buttons also, just That's all. This is your assessment that you need to do it inside the class. Now, if you do that, once you do this, uh, you will understand that coding is little bit. We are copying everything and pasting everything. That we are declaring everything repeated wise. So that's why the concept I want to introduce the concept of the Maven and the concept of the Cucumber, that you will put these things inside one class, and every time that you feel that you need for the declaring these things, just you can utilize the class only with one line of the code. Just I want to give you the feel that why we need the future topics like Maven and Cucumber in this. We can also do the testing in this single files also. Why we need those big project files like Maven and Cucumber. You will understand it definitely once you do this. Okay, guys, I would do one thing. I will share this source code. Hope everyone is ready. Write it down. Okay, let me click on this. Let me share it on the chat box. I just paste the code on the chat box. Um, Let me stop the recording.